Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what if you had a secret key to unlimited love, unconditional kindness, and absolute abundance? What if that key was right inside you, just waiting to be discovered? Today, we're diving into the world of heart coherence, a powerful state that can transform your life, attracting everything you dream of. We'll talk about how to open your heart center, learn to truly love, and experience this world as a safe, opportunity-filled space. If you're ready to open your heart to all the best, stay with us. This video will change your perception of yourself and the world around you. To open your heart center, we offer a unique practice that involves just one phrase. But don't rush. These are not just words, it's an entire ritual. For maximum effect, it's recommended to perform this practice continuously for 21 days. Imagine that every day when you play this video, you're not just listening, but connecting to a unified energy field where, through intention and concentration, your heart chakra is activated. It's as if we're building a bridge together to your inner source of love. This isn't mysticism, but a deep understanding that we are all connected. How can I claim this? My messages often hit the mark for thousands of people, but I don't guess. I simply attune to the informational field and read the necessary information. It's the same here. I will be your guide. So, ready for the main part? Find a quiet place, close your eyes, take a deep breath and a slow exhale. Focus all your attention on your heart. Feel it. We will do this practice 18 times, repeating to yourself or aloud one phrase, I love you. Just breathe and repeat. Feel how with each repetition, your heart begins to open, filling with warmth and light. These are not just words, it's a vibration that expands your heart center, making it larger, filling it with warm air, as if a soft but powerful flame ignites within it. You will feel this warmth, this energy. It's your inner love awakening. Allow this energy to flow freely. Now imagine your heart center beginning to rotate clockwise. Do you feel that fire, that warmth? This isn't just an image, it's a real activation of your heart chakra, your energetic center. It's a delightful sensation. Continue to repeat, I love you. And now add, Source, manifest love within me. Source, open my heart. My heart is ready to love, ready to marvel at this life. Let there be much divine love, joy, abundance, and delight in my heart. Every second of this practice opens your heart chakra more strongly. You begin to feel and perceive this world more deeply, to feel the source, to feel yourself. You love your strong heart. You love everything that is happening to you. Feel how an immense amount of love spreads through your body, healing you. Your heart is now a powerful center of divine love. It shines, it is expanded, it is ready to receive and give. You have just done something incredible, activating the source of endless abundance within yourself. Feel this magical energy. Enjoy it. Let this state become your new norm. Remember that the more love within you, the more love and abundance you attract into your life. You are amazing. Well done. Continue this practice, and your life will be filled with light and harmony. If you enjoyed this video and felt this energy, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like it, and share this video with those who might benefit from it. See you next time.